Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start here, make sure you have full administrator access, and create a restore point so you can undo changes if needed. Once done, identify the exact driver by name and version, and confirm whether an official signed replacement exists. You should also open vendor support resources or a corporate change ticket before proceeding. This reduces risk and documents intent. Do not attempt blind changes. Prepare a rollback plan and keep installation media handy in case you must recover the system. Next, rely on official controls rather than ad hoc hacks. Look for allow list or driver management settings in the operating system, endpoint management console, or the hardware vendor's utility, and prefer signed packages from the manufacturer. Once you have approval, schedule the change in a maintenance window and record every step in your change log. If your environment uses device management, push the approved driver through that channel. This keeps policy enforcement intact while addressing compatibility without circumventing security. Finally, reboot and verify the device is working and that system logs show no integrity failures. Make sure to validate functionality with representative tasks and watch for driver-related alerts. If you encounter instability, restore the system using the restore point or boot into safe mode and roll back the driver immediately. If problems persist, gather logs and escalate to the hardware vendor or your security team for a supported resolution. Make sure you document the outcome so the change can be reviewed and approved in future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.